Nalissa Mutu, Ian Smith and Calvin Roberts will be focusing on measures for sustainable development under the Sustainable Development Goals at the United Nations Summer Youth Assembly. The participants are looking forward to gaining as much knowledge as possible, which they will share with their respective communities.
Coming back home, I hope to bring with me more knowledge and motivation to help me along with my SDG, which is education, quality education, because I do believe that education plays a major role in eradicating some of the problems that us youths face in today's society.
So this will be a great experience for us to represent Guyana and to learn from what they have to offer there, as well as be able to debate concerning the Sustainable Development Goals and the 2030 agenda, because we see this as something that impacts us. So we need to be able to get a global perspective of what's going on, especially as it pertains to youth work, because there are so many different initiatives happening in our world around us. So it will be good for us to be a part of that, be a part of crafting some of the great ideas and the great plans going forward into our future. So it is really something awesome for me to be able to be a part of this conference, and I know that I will take away a lot from it, and I'll be able to help coming back to Guyana. I'll be able to help the youths in our communities and the youths even on a national level.
I will be looking at good health and well-being, which is the third SDG. And I would love to consider myself as a humanitarian, and I work in the medical field, so I have a passion to help people and I love people. So when I get there, I am anticipating to work out with other young people like myself, other talented and empowered young people like myself to share. There will be an exchange of information that we will be attending different conferences, debating on these 7 SDGs and how we can use the information that we gain there, the knowledge, the exchange of knowledge, and how I can come back to my beautiful country, use that information to empower, to develop my beautiful country, Guyana.
The 3 are graduates of the Youth Training Program facilitated by the Department of Youth attached to the Ministry of the Presidency. This is the second time Guyana is participating in the Summer Youth Assembly. Last year, Marissa Miller and Rayaz Rupnarain represented Guyana. For InfoHub, Kimberly Ferreira.